May cellphone.
Balay Isabel.
Tagos kayo, labas. Nandito nga kami sa dagat. Oh,
Oh, no. Oh. And Sebi, you're too early. Do you want to swim na? Huh? It's so lamig here, isn't it? Are they still eat? They're sleeping upstairs.
He's here now.
He's here now?
Yeah.
Oh, tell her. It's breakfast?
It's breakfast time.
it's breakfast time.
Yes.
Let's not waste time here. Isn't it, Ansebi?
Yes.
You call your Tito upstairs. Tito Dar. You call Tito Dar. Tito Dar.
He's still sleeping, so I can't hear him.
You wake up. You wake up.
Uh,
You just call her. You just call him. Call. Tito Dar.
Tito Dar, it's breakfast time.
Ansebi. Let's eat first before we go to...
The swimming pool.
Okay,
and
with inflatable.
later we go to the swimming pool and the inflatable. And
Okay.
we go on the slide. And and then I'm brave there. And then I slide down and I hold the floor down.
Okay. We will again. Okay, let's go there, Ansebi.
Why?
We have to walk over there with an inflatable.
Huwag ka tatagilin.
Ay.
Nakikita kasi yung shot.
Basta hindi ko nalalagyan ng langis.
One, two.
Ano na, kuya mo picture?
Ganda. Ma-picture tayo. By yourself?
Okay.
Mommy!
Tsunami.
Ang galing. Ang galing ng kalokohan.
Triple!
Diyo. Paano siya nali?
Again. You do it
Paano yung
again.
shark?
You do it again. Because I'm
Ang galing, ganyan yung shark.
Passionate catch.
so amazed
Hoy!
with you.
Ang galing, ganyan yung shark. Ang galing, gumaganon po.
Parang nakakatakot ah.
Gumaganon po. Ang galing oh.
Tama na po. No, there's so many people. Si Bebe.
Uy, you floating by yourself. Oh, smile for Titard. Smile. Smile. Oh, ganda dyan.
Hindi mo dinala yung tubig. Ay, naka-ano siya, oh. Ganda.
Let's go.
Masaya na si Bebe.
Ito kasi pag madami naglalakad.
Ganda. Cutie.
Video na lang ah.
Video nga yan.
Upo lang.
Ay,
Hindi ko alam sa inyo. Bala.
tunay.
Ba't ka na? Doon ako sa kanto.
Wow, ang galing. Ganda.
Kasi dito sa kabila.
Let's go. Masaya na si Bebe. Ah, sige po. Smile!
Dito tayo faster. Stairs? Okay, go up.
But it's only for going.
Careful, okay?
Okay din.
To where?
Pwede pa si Bebe siya.
Sige, agad dyan lang sa taas. Wow, and Debbie is so good.
Bibidyo ko kayo. Wow. Pag nadulas ka si Bebe, pababa dyan ah. Darling, ikaw ba yan? Umupo ka lang.
Ayoko, slide na lang ako.
Go!
Go na, te.
Go! You might destroy our pirate ship. You might destroy our pirate ship.
Sabi mo?
It might destroy our pirate ship. Okay, it's my turn.
Third turn. Gonna go to the heart, okay? Hi, sabihin mo pag okay na ha? Ano? Ano? Oh, go.
Okay, sit position. You're gonna slide it your turn, okay?
Use our position.
It's your turn first, okay?
Gonna go to Tita Heart.
Let's go.
No, it's your turn only, and then I'm gonna go follow you, okay? Okay, game. You first. 1. Go to the heart, okay? Okay, game. Oh.
You watch me.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch you. Oh.
You push me.
Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Higa. Woo! Ayoko na.
Okay.
Oh, jump, jump, jump. Dito sa baba.
Okay, okay. Hindi na.
Jump na sa baba.
You first. You first.
Pakita mo, Heart. Oh, hawakan mo to.
You first. You first.
Ay, sus, Bino.
Huwag ka nang pumalik. Halika na.
Nakakapagod siya. And Sebi, did you enjoy?
Grabe, tapos slide si Bebe. Pala.
Video ka sa kayak.
Sige, pwede mo. Ganda. Sige pa. Sige pa. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Sige pa. Sige pa. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Ganyan. Oh. Ano pa? Oh.
Lana.
Ako din. Angelax.
Sleepers there in the, in the pool.
Ano ka naman surfing? Mas malaki pa sa'yo. O partner daw silang pare sila din si surfing.
Surfing. Surfing.
Ganda.
Buwangin na yung tuwalya.
I hold it. Everybody's wearing the slipper.
Ang cute. Hindi mo abot. Wag mo nabutin. Nakaway pa ako. Ang cute naman yung batang yan. Oh, Smaya. Smaya, Hatsabi. Photoshop. Ang galing, patingin nga.
Editor din mo.
Ang galing nag-edit nga.
Na-adjust pa niyo.
Ang galing, editor. Put it there too. Put yourself there too. Ang galing naman yan. Ang cute-cute. Ang cute-cute. Ang cute naman. Ito.
Papaya.
Maya. Sa sumiti. Buntot na araw.
Okay na yan.
Check. Check. Check mo. Check.
Wow. Ang ganda.
Video mo rin. Ang Sebi. Hello. Ito yung pool ng balay. Sabel. Ng balay. Sabel.
Kailangan ko ba mag-jump to doon? Kasi late na. Pwede, ako nabakain din doon.
Hindi naman aesthetic yung mukha mo. Game na, umpisa mo na dito. Game na. Hindi ako hihinga. Game na. Okay na.
Kanya na tayo, ikaw na. Masaya naman ito itong isa.
O, game.
Wala, oh. Ha? Salamin. Inye. Happy Mother's Day.
Wow!
Nakasingit ka.
Wow!